are my anti-aging ladies and they want to take their microneedling session at home to the next level. Guys, I do have something that you can get with a dermatologist, esthetician, plastic surgeon. I do have exosomes today. You cannot get this done at home. You only can get this done in the salon, office, because it does require to have medical license to have exosomes. Exosomes are simply like a part of the stem cells that rejuvenates your skin. You can get those internally via IV. You can get a microneedling session done. Really a lot of information about that, but like one thing it does, it's really like a young, youthful cells to help your old dead cells that kind of being like, I'm old, rejuvenate and restore. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to show you how to do that with a Dermaroller that is so amazing for rosacea, acne scars, lines, saggy skin. If you want to literally look 5 years younger, you need to try this. Now, there is a one thing that you need to know. That is only for medical licensed workers, dermatologists, doctors, medical estheticians. I want to tell you another thing that it is crazy expensive. It starts from $700, $900, can be $1,000. Miami, New York, LA can be over $1,500 per session. I wanted to bring you here, show you how it's done, tell you what it is exosomes. I'm going to insert here more information. You guys can do research, but this is really like scientifically, medically proven. It's amazing. I've been getting exosomes intravenously for last couple of years. Helps me a lot, boosts my immune system. I feel better, and now I'm going to show you how to do topically on the skin. So it comes basically, exosomes comes with a regenerative complex. This is lyophilized exosome in the powder form, and it comes with the diluting agent exosome regenerative complex. So what I need to do, I need to open. I keep that in the fridge. They do expire. This is not like a skincare that you keep in the kitchen on the counter. And all right, so I'm opening that and I'm opening dilutant. I'm gonna apply on my skin. My skin is washed and clean right now. So all right, what I'm gonna do, I'm opening very carefully that, like I have to be very careful, super careful. I'm opening. Smells like nothing. And I'm opening the exosome itself. It's gonna be so good, you guys. It's gonna be so good. So my goal is technically to either put the powder or liquid. I will say the liquid to put in the powder is easier. Doing a little bit chemistry situation here. There we go. And then I'm closing back the exosome itself and I'm shaking really well. Now, if you're a dermatologist, if you're a medical esthetician, if you're a plastic surgeon and you have done this many times, you already know what I'm doing. This is so freaking good. You know what is stem cells are. I know you guys are super smart. Stem cell is like can be coming from your own body or can be coming from umbilical cord, placenta. If you're pregnant, if you just gave a birth, don't give to the hospital that placenta to discard or throw away. They actually sell that this placenta. So make sure you freeze your placenta. There are clinics that they can actually transform your placenta into the serum and stuff and things like that actually. So I ship really well what I'm doing. I have a clean hands. I'm gonna be applying on my skin and I'm gonna be dermarolling. It's a thick substance and I'm gonna apply everywhere. I just don't want to waste the money because that thing is expensive. I'm applying on the skin everywhere. And then whatever is left, it's less than half, I'm closing. And while I'm going to do microneedling, after that, whatever is left, I'm going to put after all. You know, guys, already how to dermaroll and whatever is left is going on my neck. So we are starting with 0.25. What I'm doing, going up. Make sure your hair is not in the way. Up. And yes, there is a bed behind me. I bought a new bed in my filming room and there is no mattress, so it looks kind of off. I don't probably dermaroll more than a minute on each of the parts of my face. So I always start with the forehead, always lift. Everybody always asks me what kind of pressure when you dermaroll. I always say like you will be shaving your legs, maybe slightly more. So a little bit on that muscle and a little bit on frontalis to pull my brows up. Now, because this is 0.25, I am okay to go around the eyes. I don't use any other size of microneedling tools besides 0.25 around the eyes. And I'm really pressing that dermaroller. And you've been lied that you have to bleed in order to have results. That's all. And then a little bit more focus around this eye. It's not painful. It's nothing slightly sticky. That's totally okay. You will have to get this done in the salon or unless you have medical license. And now I'm starting with this cheek, as always, going up, 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 and lift up, lift up, lift up. You can go side, 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 or you always lift, always lift, always lift. On the cheek is always easier because we do have way more fat on the cheek that we do have on the forehead. To many of us, forehead has minimal amount of fat and it is painful. So microneedling together with exosomes actually is such a powerful procedure for anti-aging, acne scars, hyperpigmentation, even rosacea. It heals, actually helps to heal rosacea. There are clinical studies done that it helps with rosacea. All right, I'm going to this cheek. So also is great with sun damage, aging spots, visible capillaries on the skin. You do not want to dermaroll on active acne, or if you have melanoma, any serious rashes and wounds like fresh sun damage. Wow, do you guys see? It's already getting so freaking cool. I love that. I love this thing so much. Wow, open pores, blackheads, whiteheads, pigmentation, loose skin right here I have. Man, this thing is so good. So I go a little bit around my chin like that. I go up and go up a little bit more on the spots where I need to. Make sure you wash your skin, disinfect it, and no makeup, of course. And then on the nose for the blackheads, whiteheads. This is the thing with exosomes, is instant result, and depends on the needle size that they're using. They're probably gonna use 1 millimeter in the clinic where you're gonna go. That's okay. So you shouldn't get, these sessions shouldn't be like more often than just once a month. So I'm putting that, applying the rest of the exosomes on the skin, and pretty much it. Don't go out today. Do this before bed, like 1-2 hours before bed, not right away in bed, because you don't want, I mean, if you're esthetician and if you're dermatologist and you're doing this at the home, but if you're gonna get this done in the clinic, they're gonna do everything correctly. Make sure they're using real individual needle dermarollers. I can actually go a little bit on my neck too. Okay, slightly on the neck, either down or up. I love microneedling. It's so good. It's rejuvenating, restoring, doesn't have any side effects if you're using the right tools and you're using right techniques. So basically this video is created for those that want to experience what you're going to experience in the clinic, or if you have medical license, you're already probably doing that at home, and in case if you don't, then you can start doing that. There is a little bit sagginess on that spot. All right, a little bit feeling burning sensation from microneedling, and that's totally okay. And I am done. Now disinfection with the foam, which is liquid oxygen. Gonna keep this for a little bit and then rinse it off with the distilled water. And pretty much it, guys. A little bit red, a little bit inflamed, a little bit feeling like tingling sensation, but it's totally okay, totally normal. This procedure doesn't take more than 10-20 minutes, and I'm not gonna go outside. I'm gonna be at home all day, and I hope you guys like that. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions, any concern. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't. Bye. Mwah.